So I'm going to be doing something a little different today. First of all, I'm going to be using my new camera, and it's on autofocus, and we're going to see if it can focus. And also I'm going to be doing an unboxing, which I don't really think I approve of, but here we go. I got this in the mail a while back, and I've been saving it. And since it's Christmas, I thought, well, what a good time to unbox something. So here we go. Oh dear. That's nice. There we go. So the question is, what do I care about unboxing? Well, not really. But this is something I've been saving up for quite a while. I put it off for 2 years, and then I had some extra money, so I thought, well, I'll do it. And what is it? A model kit. I got this MPC gravel trailer with the 3 axles, and then I take this out. Oh my god, these are huge boxes. And this, here you go. The Mack heavy duty DM 800 truck or cab or tractor. There we go. So I'm gonna move this, and oh well, I got a gift of these eyedroppers, I guess, because that's what you do. So let's go here and take that off. So what do I care? I'm gonna put that with that. About why is this so special to me at Christmas? Well, I'll tell you something. Back when I was a little kid, and I was far too young for this kind of thing, Santa Claus gave me at Christmas time a kit that included this trailer, this tractor, and this gravel trailer. It was a special deal from Eaton's, and so of course I put it together, but I kind of made a mess of it. It was all right though. I didn't paint it because I was not at painting stage at that point, but they had some stuff where you put like petroleum jelly on the axle so the wheels turn, and I just put globs of it on there. So let's see if the magic still remains, and I can open this up. So let's start with the trailer. It's a little anticlimactic. Put that over here, and we'll take this guy. Oh, look at that. Let's just go for the box here. Yeah, nice. So we've got the trailer parts, the frame, the tires, the wheels, a bunch of other stuff. Black vinyl tires. It's also a choking hazard, apparently. Who knew? And the transparent red taillight stuff. That's pretty cool. And of course you got the classic, oh, it's part of the Retro Deluxe package. All new decal sheet. Ooh. Restored vintage parts and original packaging art. Yeah, this original packaging art. So this is MPC, and I bet you it's put out by Round 2. Yeah, if you can really tinily put there, Round 2. So let's see what we got here. Open this up. Oh. And there. Look at that. It's got more stuff on here. I'm reading the side. Optional sideboard, because you put wood on the top of these things. A swing open rear gate, and hinged mud flats, and working suspension. Huh. Interesting. Alright. Go here. There it is. Okay, chrome parts. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, we'll get those later. Here we go. We got your look at the tires. Holy cow! There's well, it's 3 axles, so there should be 12 tires in here. Some hoses. You got your red lights, and let's see here. I had rulers. Ah, here we go. Yeah, use that one. So how long is this? Look at that. God, Santa was stupid to give me this stuff. Let's find out. You know what? Let's just take that out of the bag. Look at that. There you go. A little sanding. It's pretty good, actually. See all that burnout going on there. This liner. Ew. Something living in there? Who knows? Yes. Oh, it's made in China. Great. And this is like almost 12 inches long. That's pretty cool. All right, let's take that off. And more stuff. Frames, which in this case, on the original one were red, but this is because you didn't paint them. Just remember kids. But I don't see how the suspension works. But okay, full frames. You get your boards up here. That must be whatever you call that thing that goes over the cab. Oh yeah, and I don't. Oh, here we go. You got your wheels, parts, and you got your tailgate here. So I'll open that up. Okay, put that back. And we'll put that in there. Put that in there. Let's move to the cab. That's good. So this one, it's the heavy-duty DM800, special features, detailed interior with air conditioning unit. Didn't have that originally, I guess. Expanded decal sheet. Oh wait, there's a decal sheet here? Oh, there it is. And oh, he can have a miniature box. I don't see the decals yet. Oh, here they are. In there? Yeah. Oh, yeah, they're in there. Okay. It is a trailer after all. Here you go. All right. Let's see what the cab has. That's ridiculous. Okay, here we go. So we got again, it's original art. It's got a fifth wheel. Oh, a turbocharged 865 Maxi-Dyne engine. Whoa. Steerable front end. Ooh. Massive plated bumper, which is the chrome stuff. Vertically plated exhaust stack. Well, whatever. Fenders swing up and away. And then on the back are your parts. Pretty cool. I should have shot this in 4K. That would have saved me doing close-ups. And this is also by round 2. There we go. And of course, this is from the golden age of model kits for kids. And now it's just done by adults like myself. Which is unfortunate. Same with comics, which you just always used to get at grocery stores and varieties. Not anymore. All right. 125. Come on, open up. There we go. Whoa, jeez. Huge thing, which is burning out, of course. A huge thing of chrome. Look at that. Yeah, that's the way you do it. Little hoses, and you got your tires in here. Crazy stuff. Of course, it's because it's a tractor. There's only 2 little red lights, but you got your headlights and your glass for the cab. And what's that? This curved windshield. Okay. And oh my gosh, here you go. Engine block, engine bits and pieces, fenders, hoods in here. Okay. And then all this. Oh, there's the cab. That's nice. I'll get a little closer to that. And there's the tub for the car, the cab. I don't want to get to take the mud flats to say Mack on them. That's pretty cool. And shit, look at the size of the frame of that. Let's get my ruler. There it is. It's the frame of this. It's almost as long as the, yeah, it's 11 inches, over 11 inches. Wow, that's crazy. All right. Put that there. This is going to be huge. Oh, someone's not going to like it. And then you got your spring. Look at all the springs. That's great. Cool. And what we got here? Decal sheet, which is, of course, is faced in, but it looks decent enough. It's going to have the, let's take a look at that. There you go. Oh, interesting. So it's got the let's take a look at that cover art. So yeah, here we go. So what it does, it's got the blue on top, and then blue cab, and then the bottom part is the stripes of the American flag. And so it'll have you paint it red for those stripes to show up on the decals. It's king of the road. Oh, we got blue. Oh, I see. We got some blue and red stars, and we got white stars, and a bunch of small stars. Oh, pretty cool. Okay. And we'll put that back in here. So, and let's look at this instruction sheet here. And how it doesn't look that burned out. We're going to need tweezers and cement and a hobby knife. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Do not cement. Lubricate with petroleum jelly. Do not use oil. Ooh. All right. What do we got here? It's very nice. I'm quite excited about this. Yeah, I'm losing. I'm not even talking about this. And then, then it has the instructions where the decals go. You got your license plates, a little Mack thing. Oh, does that come in chrome? Awesome. And yeah, that's nice. And they got the color key back here. No, there's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a whole whack of them. Oh wait, maybe not. Yeah, so there you go. That's a project for the day. It will join my list of models, which I thinned out. I'll put this back. Yeah, no. I got, as a bonus, here's a Chrysler 300C I've been meaning to make for about 10 years. I have an idea for this. I think I'll start this. I want to get a starter model before I do this one, because I want to do it. It's sort of been abandoned in Nevada. It's been used for 20 years, and it's got the paint's all faded. And I want to do some rust. But yeah, there you go. So I can start with a blank shell. Interesting gray color. Anyways, that's that one. And I think this guy will just be done a truck. I want to do basically as almost like new, but only slightly weathered features. So let's put this stuff back. I might do some close-ups. There we go. And the cab. Put that back here. That goes in there. Yeah, I can never pack this stuff. There we go. So we got the Mack Heavy Duty DM 800 1/25th scale. And I'll put this back here. And then the trailer. Our giant gravel trailer, 1/25th scale with 3 axles. Yeah. Maybe I could do a diorama with this running into a school bus. That'd be pretty awesome, actually. So there you go. Dun, 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 dun. And I think that's it.